What's good, people? It's your boy Trill back with another yoga session through your quarantine or whatever the fuck you got going through. We're gonna be speeding up the process or speeding up the movements more so now. So we'll be doing the same Sun Salutation A B. Shout out to Malcolm. A B, and I'm gonna throw in some different things to help with alignment as far as and stretching the obliques, lats, hamstrings for sure, and strengthening of the quads and alignment with the knee to ankle. So before we start, I want to make sure that when you lining, you want to make sure that your knee is not over your ankle. It's just for hypermobile people. You want to make sure that you're aligned, straight, knee over the ankle, nothing to the side. And if you're not able to get here, it's okay to be here. Everybody ain't able, you know what I'm saying? Everybody can't do what I do. So that's why I say always worry about your own alignment. Let's get to it. Start at the top of your mat. Feet together as much as possible. Ankles and toes to touch. Deep breaths through the nose, out the nose. Hands to the side, fingers out wide. This is Tadasana, mountain pose. See and feel yourself as a mountain. Only can be moved by what's greater than you, the Most High. Just feel your sturdiness and your strength, base, and core getting stronger, making sure your shoulders and hips are aligned, nothing over, nothing under. And inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. As much as you can to your mat. You stay here, pull yourself in. Inhale, lift halfway to Ardha. Exhale, down. Bend the knees, place the hands on the mat. Step out with the right, step out with the left. Your knees to your mat, feet long, and hips back to child's pose. Come back to the knees. Send the hips forward, shoulders back and down, raising the gaze. Lower the gaze, come back up to the knees, tuck the toes, and raise the hips to downward dog. Deep breaths through the nose, out the nose, and your gaze should be between the knees. You can keep your feet here. It's always best to soften the heel. When I say soften, it means to gently drop into the earth as much as possible. Just scoot them up. I do sometimes, but this right here is for a good calf stretch. Give yourself a pedal. Into a still, raise the gaze, and step up with the right. Step up with the left. Come to a standing position slowly. Inhale, lift the arms up. We're going to do the left side. Exhale, forward fold. I had too close. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, down. Bend the knees, place the hands on the mat. Step out with the left, step out with the right. Knees to mat. Send the feet long, hips back to child's pose. Back to the knees. Send the hips forward, shoulders back and down, raising the gaze. Lower the gaze. Come to the knees, tuck the toes, and raise the hips to downward dog. Raise the gaze after the 5 breaths. Step up with the left. Step up with the right. Come to a standing position slowly. Now we're going to be doing Sun Salutation B. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, bring your arms to a squat. Bring yourself to a squat, arms behind you. Exhaling. Inhale, lift the arms to chair. Making sure that you're able to be like you're sitting in a chair. Your gaze should be in between the hands. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway to Ardha. Exhale, down. In the knees. Place the hands on the mat. Step out with the right. Step out with the left. Instead of the child's pose, we're going to do a small and modified chaturanga. You're going to bring your knees to your mat. Bring your chest to your mat. Swim yourself upward. Feet should already be long in doing so. Gaze up. Lower the gaze. Come to the knees. Tuck the toes and raise the hips to downward dog. Raise the right leg and step it through. In your alignment process, like we said before, your knee is not over your ankle. Everything is in alignment. Your left foot is facing forward. Your right foot is facing forward. We're going to be putting the left foot at a slight angle to make sure the heels are in alignment. We're going to push through the right leg, hinging at the waist to warrior one. Deep breath. Exhale down. Step back with the right, knees to mat. Bring your chest to your mat, swing yourself up. Lower the gaze, come to the knees, tuck the toes, raise the hips to downward dog. Raise the left leg and step it through. Right foot at a slight angle, hinging at the waist to warrior one. Energy's down. Step back with the left. Bring your knees to the mat, bring your chest to mat, swing yourself up. Lower the gaze, come to the knees, tuck the toes, raise the hips to downward dog. On the exhale, deep breaths, 5. Sun Salutation B usually is so good to warm the body up. Both Sun Salutations are, but B is really because the movements are quicker. Raise the gaze, step up with the right. Step up with the left, arms behind you in your squat. Inhale to chair. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway to Ardha. Exhale, down. In the knees, hands to mat, step out to the left. Step out with the right. Knees to mat, bring your chest to your mat, swim yourself upward. Lower the gaze, come to the knees, tuck the toes, raise the hips to downward dog. Raise the left leg, step it through. Align the heels with the foot at the back, slight angle, back leg straight, arms up. Deep breath for warrior one. Exhale down. Step back with the left, knees to mat, chest to mat, swim yourself up. Lower the gaze, come to the knees, tuck the toes. Up to downward dog, raise the right leg. Step it through. Align the heels, back leg straight. Deep breath for warrior one. Exhale down. Step back with the right. Knees to mat, chest to mat, swing yourself upward. Lower the gaze, come to the knees, tuck the toes, raise the hips to downward dog, softening the heels. Deep breaths. Raise the gaze, step up with the left, step up with the right, arms behind you in your squat. Inhale to chair. Exhale to a standing position slowly. Inhale, hands to touch. Exhale, hands to heart center. Now we're going to be doing some modified things and some things to help get stretches in the obliques and the lats. I'm going to lift the left leg, standing, and step back with it. Making sure our heels are aligned, foot at a slight angle for warrior one. And take 3 deep breaths. Make sure your knee is at a comfortable position and not over the ankle and not too much, but right where it's comfortable for you. and chest out to warrior two. Arms are counterbalanced. Everything is in alignment. Now your left foot, your toes should be facing the other wall this way. So pretty much a 90-degree angle like so. Inhale. Exhale, lower the left arm to the left leg, right arm over the head for reverse warrior. Back to warrior two. Making sure everything is in alignment. I'm going to lower the right arm to the right thigh and bring the left arm over the head for extended side angle. Back to warrior two. Bring the energies down, windmilling down. Now you're in a push-up position with your right foot in front, left foot back. Now we're going to be doing a modified Anjayasana. So we're going to lower the left knee, bring the left toes long, bring the hands to heart center. Make sure your knee is not over or under too much, just right in alignment. One deep breath. Exhale, you're going to inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, open. Inhale up. Exhale to heart center. Now we're going to twist to the right with the left elbow on the outside of the right knee. Reverse Parsvakonasana. Deep breath. Maybe 3. Your gaze can be at your elbow. One more deep breath. Exhale, release to heart center. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, open. Inhale, up. Exhale, back to earth. You're going to tuck your toes, raise the left knee up, and step up with the left. Come to a standing position slowly. Ankles and toes to touch. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale to heart center. Shoulders back and down, relax. Gonna lift the right leg up. And step back with the right leg. Foot at a slight angle, making sure the heels are aligned. Arms up for warrior one. Shoulders and hips are square. I'm gonna open the wrist, excuse me, hip and chest to the right. To the right. Making sure everything is in alignment. Toes should be facing this wall. Toes should be like this. Just spread out. Exhale, lower the right arm to the right leg. Left arm over the head for reverse warrior. Exhale to warrior two. Making sure everything is in alignment. It's always about aligning in every position, every time. Inhale. Exhale, lower the left arm to the left thigh. Right arm over the head for extended side angle. Exhale to warrior two. Inhale. Exhale, lower the energies to the earth. Turning on the ball of the foot. You're going to lower the right knee, send the toes out, and bring the hands to heart center. Shoulders back and down, relax. Making sure your knee is in alignment with the ankle. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, open. Inhale, up. Exhale to heart center. Now we're going to be turning to the left with the right elbow on the outside of the left knee, giving the spinal twist. Deep breaths. Gaze should be at the elbow. Nice inhale. Exhale to heart center. Coming back up gently. Shoulders back and down, relax. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, open. Inhale up. Energies to the mat. Tuck your right toes and lift the right leg up. And step up with the right. And come to a standing position slowly. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale to heart center. Shoulders back and down, relax. Just take a couple of deep breaths. Control the quickness. That was just the session that we complete. Very quick but precise session. Control the breath. Deep breaths through the nose, out the nose. As you do this, remind yourself to remain sturdy within your base and your legs, but to relax everything. Thank you for practicing with me today, and every day, and in every way, wherever you are, whether quarantine, whether free, clean. Be great and have a great day as always and as usual. God bless. Namaste. So that's today's session, folks. Great, good, precise, and brief yoga session, stretching the hamstrings, giving mobility to the hamstrings, the hips in a small way with the movements of the warrior 1 and warrior 2, things like that. Also the oblique work with the side angle and the reverse warrior. Great work for your obliques and your sides and your lats as well. The revolved, Parivrata Parsvakonasana, revolved side angle. Good for the spine, good for the obliques and the abs and the core, and just getting a good stretch and a twist in the back to remain aligned. It's all about self-alignment. It's all about getting right on the path, and the path is yourself. Every time, remember to stay higher regardless of what's going on. Keep it trill, love. And the boy retwist game getting